Okay, welcome to another episode of Ham Radio on the Go. And in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and quick review and on-air test of the TidRadio TD-M8s, a very inexpensive and simplistic UHF radio, and we're going to get into it, and that's coming up next. Join us. Okay, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Let's get right to the video. This is a quick unboxing and quick review of a very inexpensive portable two-way radio made by TidRadio. It's the TD-M8s, TidRadio TD-M8s. It's a 16 or 22 channel radio. Very inexpensive. You can get them for $10 or less per radio. You can get a pack of 2 for $20 on Amazon, and I'll put an affiliate link below. I purchased these with my own funds, but like I said, I'm putting an affiliate link if you're interested in the radio. You can get like a 6-pack, I think, for like $80 with a whole battery tray to charge them. These are great for a club buy, something to hand out to new hams once they get their license. Just to say welcome to the hobby. These are great at maybe a ham fest for local communications. They're mainly marketed as FRS radios, but with Chirp software and TidRadio software, you could program these onto the UHF ham bands as well. They're 2 watts on high. I didn't test them out on low, but I suspect there might be 300 to 500 milliwatts on low, but it is 2 watts on high power. You program them strictly on Chirp or the program software. There are no buttons. We'll get into the radio next, and you'll see what I'm talking about. Very inexpensive, very simplistic, great little radios just to throw in the bag for emergency or for local communications. Or at 2 watts, you can hit the local repeater if you're in good range. So let's take a look and do the unboxing. Okay, this is how they come. Portable two-way radios, very not much documentation. These are obviously made in China. Let's open the box and see what you get. You get a manual, very simplistic. Let's take a look, and you can freeze frame it page by page, but it's a very basic manual. First, you get your basic FCC RF exposure. This is FCC Part 15 compliant. Here are your charging instructions, maintenance instructions, charging prohibitions actually. This is what you get. You get a radio, you get a 15 milliamp hour lithium ion rechargeable battery pack. It's the old Nokia batteries. I think they're the BL-15 if I'm not mistaken. You can get them on Amazon as well, very inexpensive. I think $6 to replace the manual. You get the battery, you get the one manual, you get the belt clip, you get a USB cable, so it's a USB charge, and you get a wrist strap. Like I said, these are required. These are mainly sold as FRS, but you can put them on the ham band. This one in particular, 22 channels, channel spacing 12.5 kilohertz. Vocal tuning, low battery alert. It's got the 2-pin Kenwood speaker mic, the ones that you get with the Baofengs. I got one here to show you. Okay, like I said, 2 watts on high, half a watt on low, 500 milliwatts. You got channel monitor. Says you have channel scan, haven't figured that out yet. Battery save, timeout timer, micro USB connector for charging, and the 1500 milliamp battery pack. So typical battery life, 18 hours under typical use. So they last a long time. Takes about 5 hours to charge, and you're going to see that right here. Let's move on. This is what the radio looks like. You're going to see in a minute. You got the power switch volume control. Your antenna is built in. Push to talk. Channel up, channel down, micro USB, accessory port, mic jack, and you also get a cable to program these on Chirp, and I'll show you that as well. Same terminating Kenwood plug. get Vox, Scan, Squelch, CTCSS, DCS tones, all on the programming. And those are your FRS channels. Troubleshooting guide. So it's a pretty decent manual for what it looked like originally. It does cover a lot. Let's get into the radio. Let's see what you get in the box. Okay, this was the 2-pack, like I said, 2 for $20 right now on Amazon at the time of this video. I'll put an affiliate link below if you're interested. But you get the 2 radios. You get your 2 USB charging. You get your 1 power supply with 2 USB connectors, and you get 2 wrist straps. So that's what you get in your box. Pretty simplistic, but everything that you need. Okay, here's the cable that I was mentioning, TidRadio. Just look it up on Amazon. I'll put an affiliate link for this as well. These are also inexpensive. I think I paid $7 for it. Like I said, I paid for them with my own funds. Make sure it's for the TidRadio TD-M8s, and then you know, load it into your laptop, your PC, and you'll be able to do chirp. So without this is the key. Without this, you can't program this. There's no buttons, no way to program anything on the face of the radio. So you need a good working cable. Pays to read the manual, guys. Scanning is quite simple.
The killer was behind bars.
There you go.
Investigators were determined that Miss Shelley would be next. Here's Steve Morrison with the conclusion of Evil was watching.
I have a news feed on 453 megahertz receive only. But you put it on channel 22 and it automatically goes into scan mode. So it does pay to read the manual. So there you go. This is an unboxing, but I've already taken these out. I've programmed them on Chirp. It's a little bit complicated on Chirp. You need to have one of the later versions. Number one, I shouldn't say complicated, but I'm going to give you some tips that I got from a buddy, and I'll pass on to you. These are marketed as TID. They're also marketed as Baofeng, also marketed as Zastone. They all look pretty much the same. There are some minute differences, but they're basically the same radio. You got your belt clip here that attaches, pops in and pops out. If it doesn't work under TidRadio TD-M8s, make sure you pick the FRS version. That's as you do your original read from radio. FRS version. If not, go to Baofeng, and if not, try Zastone. And I'll include some of the models for Baofeng and Zastone in the description, so check that out. But once you're able to read from radio, then you can program on Chirp. 22 channels for this one, many are 16, but that should be good enough to hit the local repeater areas, program some simplex, and you could also keep some FRS and whatever else you want to program on the UHF bands. Mine are charged, 5 hours on the initial charge. And
power on 1,
channel 1. So you might have to keep a list, 22 channels. Keep a list of your repeaters, your simplex frequencies, so you know. Antenna is built in, cannot be removed. It's a hard plastic cover. I've seen videos where people crack this open and tap into the exposed wire to do antenna enhancements. But I'm not doing that at this time. This is basically going to be a simple radio, local communications, maybe at a ham fest, a field day site, a big meeting, that sort of thing. And also to hit the local repeaters with 2-watt output. So there you go. Okay, that's a simple unboxing and review of the TidRadio TD-M8s. Very inexpensive, $10 on Amazon. If you buy more units, it's less per unit. I bought 2 for $20. Like I said, I'll put the affiliate link below in the comment section, and I'll put one in the description section if you're interested. Like I said, great radios, maybe to hand out to new hams once they get their license. Just something to say thanks and welcome to the hobby. A great club buy, and you can pre-program them for everybody in the club has the same channels. easily say, go to channel 6, and that's your UHF repeater. Go to channel 10 for a simplex repeater. Everybody in the club's on the same page. And once you program, you do your code plug on Chirp, you upload into all the radios. Everybody's on the same page. I know Aries does that. It's a great way for club members to be in communication at club functions. So comment below, like and subscribe for future videos of ham radio on the go. Thanks for watching, everyone, and 7-3.